Alright, so crap, I forget. This is for, let me see, Soham Kamani. I hope I pronounced that right. Yeah. I'll just quickly show you how I set up my desktop so you can do the same thing for your Arch installation. So first of all, open up a terminal and you want to type in this command. So this will install the desktop, and you can also use the display manager I'm using, LXDM. So that's just my personal choice because it's really fast and I barely see it. Like, I don't care how that looks. So yeah, just do that. I'm gonna do that because it'll reinstall my whole desktop. Okay, and whoops, nope, yeah. And then you want to go over to the Compiz Arch wiki. Let's head over there and just install Compiz and Fusion icon. I actually had something. That's true. I'm just gonna check one thing quickly. G settings. Yeah, this was the command. I keep forgetting it. So I'm gonna just copy. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a great method to like just sort through your command history. Like if you entered in something and you forget what it was and you want to see it again, just type in history and pipe it with grep and then whatever your regex is. So I'm just gonna copy this. Oops, not gonna copy that. I'm just gonna copy this and mousepad. What do I have? What's my text editor? Kate? I don't know what's my text editor, so I'll just use nano something. And I'll just save it right there. Yeah, so this will come in handy later. So you want to install these two things at least. So I'm assuming you know how to build packages using either like manually building them or using an AOR helper. So that's up to you. And then I'll just show you my configuration. Install Docky down here, and now I'll just go through the theming. Dear God, I hate this mouse. I need to get a new one. So if you click on change desktop background, I added this wallpaper, and this is one of the default Linux Mint 18 wallpapers. The new wallpapers they came with, those were amazing, so I copied them. Under fonts, I have a custom setting that works for me. Under hinting, I select slide, and under subpixel order I choose RGB. So if I don't do this exact setting, then I get like blocky fonts and everything. I haven't done anything right here, and I'll just show you oops, what's this? Ooh, I think I'm missing something. Anyway, I'll install that later. But yeah, I have this firstly set to the Arc Darker theme and customize it. And under icons, I'll have the links to the both of these things in the description. You wanna choose the paper icon theme and just apply it, and you have this. Now when you have the default made desktop, it comes with like a little panel down here. Just delete that panel and add Docky, and then you can just do a simple Google search to remove Docky icon, and here you have what you need to remove. So just open configuration editor and just head over to apps, Docky 2, Docky items, Docky item, and untick this. So yeah, that'll be almost it. you'll probably need to log out and log in for most of these things to take effect. And lastly, I'll just show you my Compiz configuration. So under here, I haven't touched any of this. Under here, I disabled the desktop wall and enabled rotate cube and desktop cube. Under here, I enabled 3D windows and animation add-ons and cube reflection and deformation. And I'll show you my animation. So I have the burn animation set, and I prolonged the duration of the other two animations. Under close animation, I did the same thing, but the close durations are the same. And here I have the magic lamp, and a little funky you can say extension of magic lamp is wavy magic lamp. So that's pretty cool too, but I like magic lamp. So, and I haven't changed these two. And just so you get this like blue flame, because the arc theme is blue, and I want that exact blue when this thing burns, when windows burn. So I click on this, and then you can click on this eyedropper and just find any thing that is the exact arc color, and like just click on this and click on this right here, and it'll give you this color HTML code. I think that's what it's called. So if I wanted this orange, carefully click this, and there you go. This is not orange, but I want this theme, so that's gonna be that. And yeah, that's literally almost it. You can just make all of this. You can just set a desktop like mine in like 15 minutes to half an hour. That's max. This doesn't take a long time, and it looks really good. At least I think it does. So yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. Another thing, I'll actually have links to these two packages in the description. I'll have my wallpaper in the description, I think. And what else do we need for this? Yeah, the paper icon theme. I'll check this in front of you. AUR.archworks and the paper GTK theme and paper icon theme kit. You can build this, and yeah, build this and this. You can actually AUR again, arc. I don't know if it's here. Okay, arc theme kit. Yeah, I use this. I have this in the description too. Just follow the build instructions, and you shouldn't be fine. Like, it's not too hard to build. It's just mainly these two commands, and here you have the uninstall option. So yeah, this and this will be in the show notes. So yeah, best of luck, and go nuts with your desktop. I mean, that's what Arch is for. I even have the Emerald theme manager, so let's choose Emerald, and here it's using the new mix theme, so let's just poke around with that. Let's see what other themes I have. This looks cool. So yeah, you can even have this. Like, that's pretty cool. Like, if you like a darker theme or something, this will work. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the GTK themes, and yeah, best of luck.